Hey musicians and producers! Want to record crisp, clean tracks without outside noise ruining your take? Let's dive into how to soundproof a room for music recording and create your dream studio. First, choose the right space. Pick a quiet room away from busy streets or appliances like fridges. A small room or closet works great for vocals, fewer echoes, more control. Step 2. Add mass to walls. Sound waves hate heavy materials. Hang mass-loaded vinyl or extra drywall with green glue to stop noise from sneaking in or out. For a quick fix, thick soundproof curtains or acoustic blankets work wonders. Next, tackle the floor. Footsteps and vibrations can wreck your recordings. Lay down thick rugs with a foam underlay to dampen impact noise. For pro-level results, use a soundproof mat to absorb vibrations from the ground up. Step 4. Absorb internal sound. Cover walls with acoustic foam panels to kill echoes and reverb. This keeps your recordings professional, whether you're laying down vocals or shredding guitar. Finally, test and tweak. Record a sample, listen for leaks, and add more caulk or foam where needed. Ready to elevate your recordings? Check out ArrowZoom's soundproof mats at arrowzoom.com. Their high-density mats are perfect for floors, reducing vibrations and noise for studio-quality sound.